In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate canvas in Inkscape. If you've ever tilted your head while drawing on screen or wished your sketch sat at a more natural angle, rotating the canvas can make a big difference. This doesn't change your artwork itself, it simply rotates your view so you can draw and edit more comfortably. Let's walk through it clearly and keep everything simple. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load into the main workspace. You don't need any special setup for this, just the standard interface you see after launching. Next, either open an existing document or create a brand new one. You can use any size or template. If you're starting fresh, a blank document is perfect. If you're opening a file, this works the same way. Rotating the canvas will only affect how you see the document while you work, not the final output. Now, shift your attention to the bottom right corner of the Inkscape window. Look closely along the status and control area there. You'll find a small label that shows the letter R, followed by a number. That number is the current rotation angle in degrees. Right next to it, you'll see two tiny buttons with plus and minus icons. If your window is very small and you don't immediately see them, try maximizing the window or gently dragging the edge wider so the full bar is visible. To rotate the canvas, click the plus icon to rotate clockwise or the minus icon to rotate counterclockwise. Each click adjusts the view by a set number of degrees, giving you fine control. A few clicks can line up a scanned sketch, help you follow the natural stroke of your hand, or simply make a tricky angle easier to work on. Watch the R value as you click. It updates in real time so you can stop exactly where you like. A quick but important reminder, this is a view rotation only. Your objects, paths, text, and exports remain unchanged. You can draw, edit nodes, and align elements as usual. Snapping and measurements still refer to your document's true orientation. If you want to return to a normal view, keep clicking the appropriate icon until the R value reads 0. That's your unrotated baseline. For smooth work, try small adjustments, zoom in if needed, and settle on an angle that feels natural for your hand and the task at hand. And that's it. With the canvas rotation right at the bottom right corner, you can work more comfortably and precisely in just a few clicks.